Knowing how much money you would actually need in which phase of your life is actually a superpower. Let me explain why. I was talking to somebody who is in middle management role. Imagine somebody who is 45 plus years of age. He told me that, Anand, throughout my career, I have always done late night meetings because my customers are in the US. Now I am approaching 50 years of age and my customers still expect me to be on call. And not just that, they want me to be on video. And it happens mostly in the evenings. It is not that I am attending one-off meetings where I am on mute and I'm not supposed to speak. These are meetings which every alternate day I need to attend and I need to be active. Sometimes these meetings are happening at 9:30 p.m., sometimes 10:30 p.m. or 11:30 p.m. in India, which means till midnight these meetings may stretch and I am supposed to be present actively in those meetings and also talk, right? So because he's in a middle management role, he's supposed to drive the meeting. Sometimes he's supposed to interact with the stakeholders and take status updates and share concerns or risks, etc. So it is a very active role. And he was saying that in the beginning of my career, I did not have this problem of attending late meetings and I became used to it. But now with my age, it is becoming really difficult because my energy levels are dripping. And honestly, I want to quit this job. It seems like a drag. And the only reason I'm doing this is because of my kids' education. I still need more money and that is the reason I'm doing this job. Otherwise, I would have just quit long time ago. Now, when he shared this, I could definitely relate to this because a lot of people with age lose the energy levels and that they are not able to contribute in the way they used to do earlier. And there's nothing wrong with it. But because of the corporate setup where your clients are in another country, you're supposed to show up in late evenings. Whether you like it or not, that is how it operates. And in the beginning of the video, I said, knowing how much money you need in what phase of your life is actually a superpower. And if you look at this particular case, if this person had planned his finances well, if this person had invested regularly in the right instruments, since the time he got the job over the last 20 years plus, if he had done the right investments, I am pretty sure he would have not dependent on this job to take care of kids' education. Of course, each person is different and our background and scenarios and responsibilities are different. So we cannot judge people based on how their financial condition is. But let us accept this fact that a lot of people in IT who have worked for 15 years, 20 years have made decent amount of money. Many of them have also got opportunity to travel on site and earn in foreign currency. So if you did not save aggressively, if you did not park your money in the right investment instruments, then towards the fag end of the career, which is close to 50 years or 50 plus years, you still feel the need to earn more because you feel that you don't have enough. So how much money is enough for you to take care of your current responsibility as well as take care of your future, which is after retirement or after you quit the job? That is actually a superpower. So if you have not done that kind of a math, please do it. Because our education system does not teach personal finance. So a lot of people don't even know how much money they would need after 5 years, 10 years or 15 years, depending on the responsibilities that they would have to carry, or whether it is related to their own health or whether it is for their kids. A lot of people lack this knowledge of personal finance. And today in the age of internet, because of so much information available and good information available, I highly recommend that you should plan your finances well. So if you are somebody who's in your 20s or 30s, you still have time on your side. If you are in your 50s or close to 50s, then probably it is a little late, but better late than never. But if you are early in your career, you still have time on your side. So please make sure that you utilize the time and invest money wisely, because time will fly just like that. And when you hit 40 plus, you will need that money. Sometimes people say that, you should live life king size, why save for future and all of that. If that is your thought process, I wish you all the best. But my point of this video is please start to invest early, invest wisely, because it is a superpower which you can use in the time of need. your career or your job after 40 or 50 should not feel a drag, and you will have the strength and the wisdom to decide what kind of role you want to do if you have enough money in your bank. I hope that was direct and it was helpful. Let me know what you think about it in comments. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you liked the video, hit the like as well as the hype button and then share it in your WhatsApp groups. I'll see you on another video soon. Take care and bye for now.